This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.
Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. If you look around Dallas, it seems as though they're always building some new apartment, condo, or other high-rise building. Obviously, some are better than others. Victory Park, for example, has a ton of apartment options, and it can be overwhelming to figure out which one is the best for you. I've gone through the Google reviews of apartments in Victory Park, and here are the best ones. Number 5, Ascent Victory Park. Located directly across the street from the American Airlines Center, the Ascent Victory Park has a 4.2 rating on Google. The building has 22 stories and has a rustic yet urban feel. Amenities in the building include an infinity edge pool over the street, semi-private cabanas by the pool, grilling stations, and resident lounges. Apartments include floor-to-ceiling windows, private balconies, granite countertops, and all stainless steel appliances. Some of the reviews that drag down the building's ratings talk about the unprofessional and rude management of the building. There are quite a few of the reviews that say this, so there's probably something to it. Number 4, the Katy. With 30 stories, the Katy is the tallest building in Victory Park. It has direct access to the Katy Trail, which can be very convenient if you like to go on walks, runs, or bike rides. Another great feature of this building is the Katy Coffee Lab, which is located on the first floor. This minimalist coffee shop is a hidden gem and a great place to grab a coffee or a snack after a walk on the trail. Some of the other features of the building are a pet grooming room, Peloton bikes, an infinity edge pool, and many more. All units have stainless steel appliances, floor-to-ceiling windows, and noise-reducing concrete walls between the units. This is super important when living in any kind of apartment setting. Studios in the building start around $1,400. One bedroom's around $1,700 and two bedrooms around $2,800. Number 3, the 23. The 23 is another high-rise in Victory Park and has a 4.4 rating on Google. The building has 285 units, many of which overlook downtown Dallas. Apartments in the building feature quartz countertops, GE profile appliances, hardwood floors, and keyless entry. Adjacent to the building is the Cinepolis Luxury Movie Theater, and Orange Theory Fitness is on the first floor. So whether you like to relax, work out, or both, this building has you covered. Studios in this building, or lofts as they call them, start around $1,750. One bedroom's at $1,760, and two bedrooms around $2,800. Number 2, Victory Place. Victory Place is a 25-story tower and is located directly across from the American Airlines Center, with a Google review score of 4.5. The building has a small rooftop pool and a state-of-the-art gym. One recent reviewer said, quote, "I have lived at Victory Place for almost a year now and have had an amazing experience. The leasing office, concierge, and staff are all top of the line," end quote. However, some reviewers do comment that only residents can use the amenities and not guests. This can be a good or a bad thing, depending on your perspective. Studios in the building start at $1,200, one bedroom's at $1,600, and two bedrooms start at about $3,300 per month. Number 1, Camden Victory Park. Located next to the American Airlines Center, Camden Victory Park has a 4.5 rating on Google, which is the same score as Victory Place. I decided that a fair tiebreaker would be the building with the most reviews. Since Camden Victory Place had more reviews than Victory Place, I gave them the number 1 spot. This is the only building on the list that is not a high-rise building. Instead, it's an urban mid-rise with a courtyard that contains the pool and other resident amenities. One of the recent reviewers said, quote, "The apartment homes are beautiful and the staff is amazing. I've never been so pleased with my living arrangements as I am here at Camden Victory Park," end quote. Well, that is quite the ringing endorsement of the building. One bedrooms in this building start around $1,250 and two bedrooms around $1,900. Those are great prices compared to the other buildings in Victory Park. Well, there you have it, the best apartment buildings in Victory Park. Let me know in the comments if you agree with my list or not. Should something else be added? Should something be ranked higher? Just let me know. Look out for new videos about other neighborhoods in Dallas, including Uptown and Downtown. Have a great day.
This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valleymaids.com. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.